Brats, it's nearly 3 years old now, and yet the Valve Index is still considered one of the best VR headsets, especially PCVR headsets, that you can get on the market. iFixIt is now offering a way for people who have had theirs and are far out of warranty to help extend the life of their headset. Let's talk about it. So they're now selling replacement parts. iFixIt, you might know them from phone parts that you've gotten to replace before in the past. They are selling all kinds of different parts now. Valve had already sold, way back in mid-2021, individual controllers and the cable to replace, but now with iFixIt, you're talking Trident cables, new speakers, adjustment knobs for the headset, new head straps, which makes me wonder, are we going to see people starting to modify Valve Index head straps to fit on Quest 2s? The left and right eye tube assembly is kind of an interesting one. Some people are thinking this might give people a possibility to make DIY headsets using their optics, power supplies for the base stations, all kinds of different parts you can see. If you're an Index owner and your headset's starting to feel its age, it's starting to have parts worn out and Valve will no longer replace them for you, you've got options, which is really nice to see. Although from what I've heard, even people who are outside of warranty, Valve's been pretty great about replacing things they need for their headset still. But really the replacement we all want is a Valve Index 2. We've been waiting, we've been hoping that it's coming, and we want to see, you know, all these Decker leaks. We want to see a new headset. 3 years old and the thing is still $1,000, which I think is a bit of a hard sell 3 years after the fact, when people 3 years ago paid that same price and got to enjoy it all this time. But what do you think out there? Do you have an Index? Does this help you out at all? Or is this just something cool to see for the VR industry as a whole? I'd love to know in the comments section. Hope you're having a great day out there. I want to say a huge thank you for being here with me. Channel has been growing. We are nearly at 20,000 subscribers, which is crazy. So thank you. And I will see you in another reality.